everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I am going to be sewing a really quick and easy turtleneck for myself. We have an upcoming class, and I always like to have samples to show the students exactly what we're going to be making. But before we get started sewing, I have to give a special thanks and shout out to Anna Luisa for sponsoring today's video. If you've never heard of Anna Luisa before, they are a jewelry brand and they are a carbon neutral company. So they are all about the environment while still giving you quality and timeless everyday pieces. So on their website, you'll see rings, earrings, necklaces, bracelets. They're all at a really nice affordable price, and they also have a higher end line as well. If you know me, then you know when it comes to jewelry, I keep things super simple, super minimum, and everyday. That is what I wear. Nice, clean, everyday pieces. And Anna Luisa has a fantastic collection on their website of just that. I've worked with them before. I believe it was like in 2019 that we first worked together, and I've actually purchased pieces of my own from them. And again, I just keep them in rotation because they're just perfect for me and my style and my everyday wear. So for about the past 2 or 3 weeks, I've actually been wearing a couple pieces that I have received from the brand. This ring is just a nice classic ring. I actually got this one because it reminded me of my Aunt Denise. Hey, Auntie. She wears a thumb ring, and I just love it. I think it's just so chic and so cool. And I got this because I was thinking, oh, I'm gonna be like my auntie. But I got a size 8 instead of a size 9, so it could just fit here. But it's cool. When I look at it, it reminds me of my cool aunt. This ring right here, I love it. It's adjustable, so you don't have to pick a size. And this bracelet is just everything. This bracelet is by far my favorite thing that I have from them. Like I said, I purchased my own pieces, and I have a mama necklace. I also have some safety pin earrings. So yeah, I have some things from Anna Luisa that I love. The one thing I will say about this bracelet is it fits perfect, but they did send extra links. So if you're interested in this bracelet, you will get some extra links, and I'll just take it to my local watch store whenever I have time, and I have them add the links just to give me a little bit of slack because right now it fits perfect. So if you're like me and you love everyday pieces, you can click the link in the description box down below. They are currently having one of their biggest sales of the year. It's 20% off store-wide. So you can click that link. It'll take you right over there. You can do some shopping, and you can learn a little bit more about the brand. Now I have a turtleneck to make. I'm going to be using the Georgia turtleneck pattern, and my goal is to have this turtleneck sewn before I leave work today. It is currently 9:59. The goal is just to have it done before I leave today. So let's get started. All right, y'all, I'm downstairs. I'm about to start sewing the Georgia turtleneck. Like I said, I like to have a sample sewn that I can show the students. And I promise this time, you know what, I'm not gonna promise that. I probably will wear it. I have to make another one to show the students. Because I really love this fabric. It's a Radon Modal sweater knit, so I know it's going to be amazing, but I'm going to go ahead and start sewing. Again, my goal is to have this turtleneck sewn and finished before I leave work today. So let's get started. my turtleneck is all done. Let's try it on and see how it looks. Here's my Georgia turtleneck, quick and easy sew. As you saw, it took me no time. I've probably been sewing for about an hour and a half, if that. And it's just a really cute everyday piece. I made the biggest size. In it, I could definitely go down about 2 sizes. I love the length on this turtleneck, so you can easily make it into a dress. But I'm loving it. Now I have a sample that I can show the students when they come to class. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, change over, and start working. Well, that is all for the video, and I really do hope that you all enjoyed it. Remember to check out Luisa. They're currently having their biggest sale of the year, which is 20% off their whole site. You can click the link down in the description box and start shopping now. If you have some questions, let me know below. I'll be more than happy to answer. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.